Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 10th for the subject of physical education. Topic childhood, which is covered in chapter 1, Human Growth and Development, starting on page number 22 of your textbook, titled Health, Physical Education and Sports, and is being submitted to you on 19th April 2021. This voice is of Miss Kusum. If all students are ready, then let us start with the topic childhood. All of you please listen carefully as I will be asking a few questions in between the chapter. Childhood. Age group is 3 to 12 years. Introduction. Concept of childhood is the first unit of the course, Childhood and Growing Up. The unit will be help you understand the various perspectives of childhood in different cultures. By understanding the concept of childhood and adolescence in various cultures, you may arrive at the conclusion that childhood is basically constructed based on the socio-political realities of diverse contents. Concept of childhood. Childhood stage begins from 3rd year and lasts till the end of the 12th year. Children and childhood are familiar terms to us. We all have been through the age when we are called children and have experienced the phase called childhood. Not only childhood, but also we have passed through the stages of adolescence with varied experiences. The word childhood means the state of being a child. Till the end of the 20th century, the idea of childhood as a separate social category had been paid very little attention. We see children in the same manner and not as unique individuals who have varied experiences, interest, style of learning and knowledge. Anthropological perspective of childhood. Anthropological childhood can be perceived from 5 angles. Firstly, children are socialized to learn and perpetuate a set of norms and customs. We may treat children as small adults in the making, modeled by parents and adults in a society to sustain the culture of a society. Secondly, children's personalities are understood as natural reaction of the anxieties and cultural aspect in which they grow up. Thirdly, childhood socialization is a process by which norms, attributes, ways of thinking and values of society are acquired by children to enter the next stage of the development. Fourthly, childhood is viewed in terms of developmental niche. The developmental niche stands for the framework of the examine the cultural structuring of the microenvironment of the child. It also tries to explain the environmental in terms of children viewpoint and to understand the process of developmental and acquisitions of culture. The child is seen as bringing its own temperature as well as species specific potentials to the developmental niche provided by its culture. The developmental niche is divided into 3 components as given below. First, the physical and social setting in which the child lives. Second, the customs of child care and child rearing. Third, The psychology of the caretakers. Definition of child in different perspectives. Teachers in school deal with children belonging to various backgrounds. Some teachers shout at children, some try to talk to them to resolve the matter, and some become ignorant. Child are innocent, God's gift, pure and truthful, sweet, cute, playful, childish, funny, idiot, naughty, fragile, protected, soft like potter's clay, fearful. Childhood stage begins from the 3rd year and the lasts till the end of the 12th year. At this stage, the children are able to have enough control on their muscles. Their development is fast during the first 3 years and later on till 12th year. Their development becomes strong and vigorous. At this stage, children spend most of their time playing. Their neuromuscular coordination becomes efficient enough. At this stage, the concentration power of the children increases, but they cannot concentrate for a long time. Their thinking ability increases at the faster rate. Their power of memory, logic thinking, and discussion making increase remarkably. Till the end of this stage, they learn to control their emotions. Emotionally, they become stable and optimistic. They also learn to control their behavior. In childhood, they do not like any question on their self-esteem and self-respect. During this stage, social qualities develop in them quickly. They like to play with children of their age. They are able to adjust their behavior in the society, owing to the appropriate development of social qualities. At this stage, children are courageous, imaginative, resourceful, and adventurous. They usually blindly follow the persons whom they admire. They like to copy the deeds and actions of their famous heroes about whom they hear, wrote, or watch. At this stage, they have the best motor learning ability. During childhood, it is observed that the arms and legs grow longer and trunk thinner. In later childhood, children have less fat tissue than in early childhood. Students, before going any further in this chapter, let me ask you a few questions. You may kindly listen to the questions carefully and pause the audio for 3 minutes to write down the answers in your notebook. The questions and answer of this chapter or unit are enclosed with the assignment PDF for your reference and will not be recorded in the video lesson. Hope you all have understood the stage of development. All of you are required to write these questions and answers in your notebook. Thank you, students.